roar from the crowd as the game gets underway. A super atmosphere here. Look around the stands, there seems to be no lack of support for either side. A splendid occasion. Hold on to your seat for the next 90 minutes. Goal! A very classy finish from a player of huge quality. The old saying is, it only takes a second to score a goal, and it's just been proved.
What a beautifully worked goal. The timing of the run was in perfect harmony with the pass. Having got to it, all he needed to do was guide it past the keeper and into the net.
They found the opener. 1-0.
What a magnificent start they've made. They took advantage of some really slack defending, and imagine they'll pile on the pressure from here on in.
Nowberg. Linderoth. No way through. Ball stolen. Chance here. Ibrahimovic. Just caught offside there. Got in round the back, but the assistant referee had his flag up. Capdevila. Luis Garcia. Read that well. Ljungberg. The keeper comes and collects it. Sergio Garcia. Piqué. They have the lead as well as all the possession, holding onto the ball well and taking no risks at all. Out to the space on the wing. Very important interception. Good tackle. Capdevila. 15 minutes played. Wilhelmsen. Ake. And Xavi. Capdevila. Here's Luis Garcia. Here's Xavi. Well beaten to the ball there. Nowberg. Rosenberg. Linderoth. Needs to be accurate. Chance here! The goalkeeper had his eye on that and saw it was gone wide of the post.
Having decided to go it alone, he almost finished off a magnificent solo run with what would have been a brilliant goal.
Ake. Capdevila. That midfield battle is proving to be fairly rugged. Tackles have been flying in. One target in the box. Good ball in. Ljungberg. Caught offside. Absolutely no question about that one. Right decision. Puyol. Almost half an hour gone. Sergio Garcia. Xavi. And that ball is dispatched to the opposite wing. Hansen. Wins possession to stop the attack.
Ljungberg. Wilhelmsen.
They win possession.
And Luis Garcia.
Capdevia.
Here's Luque.
Needs a good cross. Very promising indeed. And a chance. Another one. And what a time to score as well. The team will be pleased to go in with a 2-goal advantage. So, 2-0. Who'd have thought that would be the way of it?
Okay, they've extended the lead, but knowing the manager, I doubt they'll take the foot off the pedal. They want them to keep building on this, get the strikers in on the act and turn it into a rout.
Just needs half a yard. And down he goes! The referee points to the spot. A penalty kick. And I'd go along with that. He didn't get anywhere near the ball. Having taken up the responsibility to shoot from the spot, can he hold his nerve and put it away? And the follow-up is there! Bullseye! Not only did he create the space for himself well, he stayed so calm in front of goal, and he just guided it in.
Perhaps the keeper could have parried it away better, but you have to give credit to the striker. He saw the possibility, took a chance, and has been rewarded with his name on the score sheet.
Only a slender lead, and they need the ball down the other end of the pitch.
They didn't give up even after going a couple of goals down. A great determination to get one back before the interval has started to be rewarded. Will this momentum carry them through and bring them the equaliser?
He surges forward. Knocks it out to the flank. He controlled the shot well enough, but it was straightforward for the keeper really. Capdevia. And he collects the long pass. Only 1 minute to be added.
Xavi.
It's played through, and it could lead to a chance. The whistle goes to signal half-time. The players can head off to the changing room for a well-earned break. Pretty pleased with the performance so far.
Well, with that half finally over, I can catch my breath. I think the sheer